The requirements for the GETC Abbott qualification to enter is Abbott level 3, English and Maths. So your GETC Abbott qualification is your qualification that sits at NQF 1 Abbott level 4. It is a full qualification where you do 6 subjects, 6 exams. It's similar to your old grade 9 where you could leave school. So it's sort of like a stop or a point in your career, in your training career, to finish it off, and it also gives you entry into the next qualifications, and it also gives you entry into adult matric, the Department of Education adult matric, where you need to have either grade 11 or then your GETC Abbott qualification to gain entry. If you have any questions or any requirements for your company, book a meeting with us so that we can assist.